How to turn on keep me safe option on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on keep me safe option. So first thing, go to Discord and go down here and click on this option right here. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go down and search for privacy right here. Hello, okay, let's search. Where is it? And here is privacy and safety. It's actually the fourth one. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now click on keep me safe. It's actually very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.